Hi, I'm Jason Barnard. I'm the Brand SERP guy, and today we're looking at the Brand SERP for Hallmark. Absolutely delightful Brand SERP and incredibly well owned. They've almost done a Disney. Now, what does do a Disney mean? It means that this blue link is owned by them. This blue link is owned by them. This blue link is owned by them. This one isn't, although it does represent them, and this one isn't, but this one is. So they've almost done Disney. They've got 4 blue links plus that top one, and almost all of them are Hallmark, and they could very easily do a Disney because this is them, this is them, this is them, and this is them. So in fact, all they would need to do is push up a couple of these onto page 1 to replace the Wikipedia and the Facebook, and they would have done a Disney. Thanks very much.